just not hearing about this today, but I'm all for minimum wage going up. That is like a very important thing.
Mid-Michigan business owners are reacting to news that the minimum wage is set to increase by $2 per hour. That's thanks to a decision by the Michigan Supreme Court on Wednesday. Our David Sackrider joining us now. And David, this centers on a law that passed 6 years ago.
That's right. This is the majority opinion written by Justice Elizabeth Welch that says in 2018, 6 years ago, the legislature acted unconstitutionally when they voted to adopt and then amend a ballot initiative in the same session. The ballot initiatives in question pertain to raising the minimum wage and providing workers with paid time off. They earned enough signatures to make the ballot. That is, until the state legislature passed them into law unaltered to prevent them from going before voters. Then, after the election, they altered the laws to delay wage increases. That's where the legislature messed up, according to the majority, with Welch writing that it, quote, violated the people's constitutionally guaranteed right to propose and enact laws through the initiative process, end quote. Now the minimum wage will increase by $2 as soon as February and continue to increase with inflation. They will also phase out the tipped minimum wage and provide all workers the opportunity to earn paid time off. Republicans are frustrated by the decision and urge legislators to act immediately. In a statement, Republican leader Matt Hall writes, quote, restaurants and other small businesses will have to raise their prices, tipped workers will take home less pay, and some people will lose their jobs. The court has ruled, and now it's time for the people's representatives to take action, end quote. But one local business owner says that while it might cause prices to rise, they aren't too worried.
Anytime you have things going up, because food does the same thing, you offset costs with just raising your prices. Now, does that cause the customer to be at a risk? Sometimes, but most times not. They're okay if you raise it by $1, $1.50.
It's a decision that could have election implications as the primary draws ever closer. Lavora Barnes, the chair of the Michigan Democratic Party, says it only reminds us of the importance of electing judges who uphold democracy. Justice Kira Harris Bolden is running for re-election this year. Meanwhile, there's an open seat on the bench with Justice David Viviano not seeking re-election. In studio, David Sackrider, ABC 12 News.